Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're doing the top 200 hearing questions that you're likely to hear when you go to your ALJ, OHO, Social Security Disability hearing. Here we go. Number 3. So, a simple one, but don't screw it up. Please state your name for the record. That's how it always begins. Please state your name for the record. Get used to it. Please state your name for the record. Don't let it shake you. Please state it. Please state it. Run it over and over and over and over and over and over in your head. Also get used to just talking to walls and mirrors and saying, yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. Maybe, Your Honor. I'm not sure, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. Maybe, Your Honor. I'm not sure, Your Honor. Get used to saying Your Honor over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? Now, with this one, when you state your name, this is your legal name. This is your legal name, not your, it's my cute, cool name, my boo calls me this name, this is my drug dealer name. It's not that. It's your actual, real name. I go by this. It's not that name. It is your actual, real name. Well, I want people to call me by this name. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody gives a shit. It's your legal name. Nobody cares. You want to be called something special? Go talk to a therapist about it. That's the bottom line. It is your legal name. Don't screw it up, because then you'll spend 5 minutes wasting hearing time going through and explaining, well, this is what I like to be called because I never actually grew up to be an adult, and now I'm in this situation where I'm sitting here trying to get disability benefits because, I want to be called the Juice. That's what my name should be. I'm going to be the Juice. Just don't be that person. It's just such a waste of time. You get such limited time while you're in there. You're in the seat. Respect the chair. Respect it. You only get so much time to prove your claim. And remember, you can't throw that all on the attorney. You can't throw it all on the judge. You can't throw it all on the vocational expert. You're in that chair. Perform. That's the bottom line. All right? I'll catch you a little bit later. If you want more up-to-date information, it's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. I go live from 8 to 10 on YouTube every Eastern Standard Thursday night, 8 to 10 p.m. If you have any additional questions, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.